What's up, boys? We already have a truck. We already have parts. We just have to do, customer vehicles. But we're gonna be doing a K3500, so we gotta just do customers' vehicles. So, yeah. I'm gonna be doing paperwork. Actually, no, I need to go somewhere. So I actually need to go down and buy the shop. I need to buy a shop, a new one. This is our new shop. Hopefully. Let me go, okay, the door's too small, and why is the door too big? Yeah, hello, I'm here to buy this shop. Great. Yeah, I already got your check for you. Here you go. Alright, boys, this is ours. He said I can come here tomorrow. So, we have a new shop. So, and the guys already have the tires on. They said to get the lift on. Actually, they have the lift on. What am I saying? They have the lift. They just need to put the tires on and then paint it. So it should be done almost. While they do that, I'm working on my truck. I'm sorry if you can hear my heater in the background because I'm cold. So, look at the shocks. Make sure my wheels on. Look at my back shocks right here. Okay. Alright. They said that they got the paint on. It just has to dry. So I'll see you guys when it's dry. Okay, the paint's dry. We can go look at it. Well, we've seen a little bit of it there. I forgot those things. Gotta get this over here. Alright, so what we have here is a K3500 black American Forces with meaty tires, painted suspension. Sorry, excuse me. Tow mirrors, LED light, steps, 6-inch lift, rough country, and then we have a toolbox, and a candy red paint job, and like a 9-inch exhaust. So let's go for a drive. So I'm just gonna go around the block and then we'll come back and finish the video off. So let's go. So yeah, this is our truck, so. And I like it. Chris actually wants to buy this from me, so. Anyways, guys, please like and subscribe. Get me to 100K before the end of the year, and we will do a special video or a special stream, maybe. So with that, I'll see you all next time.